The Toyota Probox suits businesses and individuals who value durability, efficiency, and pragmatism over style. Fleet operators, small business owners, and individuals seeking a reliable workhorse pick the Probox for its adaptability and endurance. A full Toyota Probox review covers its look, interior, performance, safety, and value. Outside architecture. Toyota Proboxes are simple and functional. Boxy, compact design increases inside space and visibility and fits its no-nonsense approach. Wide halogen headlights and a plain front make the Probox visible at night. The flat, rectangular design enables for lots of goods and easy navigation. From the side, some trim levels have sliding back doors for convenience. The vehicle's big tailgate and low loading height simplify product loading and unloading, indicating its business role. Although the Probox isn't as appealing as a passenger car, its simple form works, ambience and comfort. Toyota Probox cabins prioritize utility. The cabin is functional despite lacking luxurious amenities. 5 people can fit in the two-row Probox. Commercial models may prioritize freight above rear seating. Massive load capacity is one of the Probox's best characteristics. Easy cargo transport is possible by folding the back seats. A sturdy plastic interior and easy-to-clean cloth seats make this vehicle perfect for industrial use. The Probox prioritizes utility, but higher trim levels may have air conditioning, electric windows, and adjustable driver's seats. Due to its fuel-efficient and reliable engines, the Toyota Probox is suited for city and rural living. A 1.3L gasoline engine is available. It produces 94 horsepower and 121 nanometers, combined with CVT or 5-speed manual. Excellent for urban short trips with light luggage. 1.5L petrol and produces 109 horsepower and 136 Newton-meters, CVT or 5-speed manual gearboxes, boosts, power for highway cruising or larger loads. Operational factors. The Probox's small size and narrow turning radius make it easier to drive in city traffic. The Probox is stable at moderate speeds, but not highway capable due to its utility-first design. This suspension system is built to last and withstand tough terrain and loads while providing comfort. Ideal gas mileage. Businesses and consumers benefit from Toyota Probox's fuel efficiency. Gasoline 16 to 18 km AL, petrol 1.5L 14 to 16 km per L. The Probox has low operating costs, but load, driving conditions, and maintenance may affect these numbers. Innovations and qualities. Probox technology values functionality over luxury. Most trim levels have basic audio systems with AM/FM, USB, and auxiliary input. Luxury models may have Bluetooth-enabled touchscreens. Effortless function, air conditioning, is crucial for a pleasant cabin in warm weather. In congested cities, power steering facilitates driving.